To create scrolling text video in Canva, I'm going to leave this link to my profile on the description of this video. So from my featured templates, I'm going to select this scrolling text template, and if you click on this template, it is going to open up like so, and you click on customize this template. You can see the template has opened up for us to customize. From here, if I pull up the timeline up, you can see the text here. This is where you're going to add in your own text. You're going to copy your text and paste it on this part. You can move it to the side, and you can also change this image if you want to use a different image. If you go to elements here, let's search for patterns, and you can select other kinds of images to use. Let me take my playhead to the beginning, and I click on this image, and I will take it up, and let me just pull it here, and I will click on this to see the time. This is 20 seconds. Let me click on this image and also make it the timing to be 20. Enter on my keyboard. You see it has stretched out, and I will take out this one I don't want that came with the template, and I will click on this one and take down the transparency a bit so my text can be seen. And once you preview, you see your text begins to flow. I have sound here also in this template. If you don't need the sound, you can choose your own sound by still coming to the elements library here. Let's close this out. Click out, scroll down. You see from audio here, you can search on the kind of audio you want to use. If you don't want this in landscape and you want it in portrait, you can also click on resize here. Let's go to videos, and you see all the options of video we can choose from. You have this Instagram reel, TikTok video, and if we choose TikTok video, you can copy and resize this design into it. And once you're happy with your design, you click on share here, click on download, and you download your video as an MP4 video by clicking on download here.